Hey, what's going on guys? First Tech over here. So there are so many leaks information about the upcoming Tecno Phantom 9 on the internet already. I know some of you guys might have seen plenty of them, but today I'm still going to shed more light on the Tecno Phantom 9. The Tecno Phantom 9 is going to be an interesting device for the company and for you and I. So from design perspective, I know it's going to look beautiful from the leaks document that I've seen online. It's going to be something that'll be very attractive. Definitely, it's going to be attractive to Tecno fans, and even if you're not a Tecno fan, you're definitely going to like the new design aesthetics Tecno is going to come up with the Tecno Phantom 9. So design-wise, I know it's going to be awesome. Now specifications. So this is one area that I wish Tecno would have done a bit better. The Helio P35 CPU, octa-core CPU, it's a good processor, but if you're looking at what we have in the market already from the competition, the likes of Samsung Galaxy A70, which I made a video about that device in this channel, so I can link that up here so you can go check it out. I made a video about that device. That device comes with the Snapdragon 675 CPU. It is awesome, it is efficient. I was expecting Tecno to use something similar, but Helio P35, okay, at the end of the day, we're still going to see what it's going to turn out to be. So the Tecno Phantom 9 is rumored to have a Helio P35 octa-core CPU from MediaTek that is clocked at 2.3 GHz. It's going to come with a 6 GB of RAM, a 128 GB of internal storage, a 3500 mAh battery, Android 9 Pie out of the box, which is what we expect from a 2019 flagship device, with support for dual nano SIM plus memory card. Gone are the days of a hybrid SIM slot, and will support for dual 4G LTE on both SIM. The Phantom 9 will come with a triple camera setup at the back, which is a 16 megapixels main sensor, a 2 megapixels depth sensor, and an 8 megapixels ultra wide sensor that can expand up to 120-degree field of view, with a super macro lens for close shots. The 16 megapixels main camera is going to be further improved with AI recognition 2.0 for a better high dynamic range, good portrait mode, and it's going to be improved in almost every areas. Image will have good skin tones and improved color accuracy. The Phantom 9 will incorporate a 32 megapixels AI selfie camera. It is also improved with 3D beauty that maintains good details, and overall skin tone will be improved as well. So be rest assured that selfies will be decent with the Phantom 9, as well as good looking selfies in low light. So the Phantom 9 is back after having a pretty rough year in 2018 for not seeing the light of the day. Like the Infinix 06 that skipped the whole of 2018, I was expecting something spectacular about it, but in return we had a huge disappointment about it. Even the company is not proud to tell someone to go out and buy it. Let's flip the coin and push that aside. Welcome to the Tecno Phantom 9. The Phantom 9 is going to be a groundbreaking device for Tecno because of its amazing features and capabilities, and I believe the users will be pleased as well. Though the Phantom 9 will still disappoint in some areas like the USB ports. If this leaked document is correct, it will feature a micro USB charging port instead of a Type-C, which might be a deal breaker for some people. Probably they are doing all of this to cut costs in some areas. The Helio P35 octa-core CPU is a decent CPU, but I don't find it worthy inside the Phantom 9. I was expecting a Snapdragon 675 CPU, but it is what it is. The Phantom 9 will have a 4.6-inch Full HD Plus display, and from the leaked document, it's going to be an AMOLED display. Fingers crossed. For the first time, we're going to see a double front flash on any device so far. So the Tecno Phantom 9 is going to come with a double front flash, one on one end, one on the other end. And finally, Tecno has joined the likes of Samsung, Huawei, Oppo, and many more to incorporate an in-display fingerprint scanner. I did not see this coming. I personally thought such achievement would come 2020 or thereabouts, but having it in 2019 is awesome. I like it a lot. So it's definitely going to come with lots of features that will excite you and me. So that is it guys. Do let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. If you like this video, smash that subscribe button, smash that like button, and leave a comment down below. And definitely I'm going to see you in the next one. Bye bye.